Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I wasn't gonna record today, but I found out that there's a Bugatti Grand Sport in the Bay Area, pretty much like San Jose area. So we're gonna go check it out. It's probably already like, oh, it's 9 o'clock, 9:30, it's almost 10. So we gotta make it there before the curfew at 10 o'clock. Hopefully I'm able to record some video for you guys. So let's go check it out. Alright, we're here. Surprisingly, they have the lights on. Oh my god, they have the new Ferrari. The blue one. Oh, and they have a 570 with the wing.
Like a
367 no scope. A Porsche E53. What about this Mercedes right here?
This is a red top, bottom.
Aren't those like heels? Yeah, the red one. Oh, it does.
The red bottoms.
And then they got a Urus. Like your boy.
Yeah. That's my boy.
I know. But I think your boy has like way more specs on his. Alright guys, and there it is. The Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. 1500 horsepower. There's a couple coin-ins. Good thing with this new iPhone, it picks up the camera pretty good. Damn, but there it is guys. The Bugatti Pur Sport Chiron, 1500 horsepower, $3.3 million starting price. Here's a front image. Oh my god, dude, I love the Chiron. Alright, well that's it guys. There's a Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. Close to 1500 horsepower. I believe there's only gonna be 60 made. And it's the version where it actually has the hard top wing and not just like the one that goes up at a certain speed or goes down at a certain speed. I just wanted to show you guys. I was gonna come here in the daytime, but I'm really busy with work and school and I don't have time, so I came right after doing some homework right now. But peep all these cars. Dude, I really like this one. It's so subtle for being like the newer Ferrari. But tan interior, I don't know about that.